I see the Junior Achievement mission as preparing young people and empowering them to own their futures. And I think it's our job to make sure that they do know all of the opportunities that are out there for them, prepare them with the tools, and help them to get ready.
We really do have the opportunity to make a huge difference in lives on a regular basis. And I can think of so many students that have come back to let us know that we've made a huge impact in not only their year, but just in their career path.
Our curriculum is designed to teach financial literacy, entrepreneurship, and work readiness. We provide our students with skills, knowledge, and experiences that they will need to succeed in the modern world.
We want students to understand that there are so many opportunities right here in our South Florida community that they just don't know about yet. So we help expose them to careers in 16 different industries, over 100 careers. So they're just exposed to and understand what opportunities exist. We unified JA BizTown and JA Career Discovery Park into one program because it allows us to connect with students twice before they enter high school. By creating this intentional pathway, we're able to provide a more cohesive experience that builds a strong foundation in financial literacy, career readiness, and employability skills. This helps students better connect what they learn to their future goals and sets them up for long-term success.
As we plant the seeds now, it's going to change the mindset of the different communities, the different schools, the different advisors, the parents. It really does change the way the community is developing.
JA is building the foundation for successful financial management and career advancement through real-world applications.
We have the opportunity to find out what the needs of our business partners are and to meet those needs with the talented students that we come across every day.
Junior Achievement of South Florida's partnership with Broward County Public Schools is deep. There's so many success stories. We have students who have gone on to start their own businesses. We have alumni who we know through our studies have reached higher levels in their careers because they started out with the skill sets.
You have all of these relationships, you have all of these resources, and then you have a team put together that is really just all about how do we have the most impact possible.
And that's what JA is committed to. Working with partners, working with donors, working with businesses, our county, our government, our school districts, private, charter, public, all of them, working together. This is a collaborative effort, and we cannot do this alone. There are so many ways to get involved. I promise you that the impact you have on our young people will make you feel amazing, and it will build the future of our community.